Are you ready for something totally wicked? No, sorry, it's not a cookie num-num. It's the Incredicoaster. This looping coaster first opened in 2001 as California Screamin and was rethemed in 2018 to tell a new story of Jack Jack, a baby on the run. The Incredicoaster is located in the Incredibles Park neighborhood of Pixar Pier in Disney's California Adventure Park. If you dig what we do and want to support our channel, the best way is to strike that like. Want to support us even more? Well, great! You can also make a donation by clicking on the thanks button that appears below most of our videos. Right now, we're saving for a new low-light camera to help us shoot better ride-through videos just like this one. Thanks! Want to know a few incredible facts? Okay, this is the fastest ride at all of the Disneyland Resort, and it's also the longest with more than 6,000 feet of steel track. Reportedly, the red paint used on this attraction is self-cleaning, and if anybody has any idea what that means or how it works, please tell me in the comments. And finally, Jack Jack, the star of the show, shows up 19 total times throughout the ride, which is really a lot of times. I mean, how many times do we really think a baby needs to... Oh, you sly dog! You got me monologuing! Sorry about that. Now where's your super suit? Well, go put it on because it's time to see if we can catch a runaway Jack Jack on the Incredicoaster.
Edna, keep your eye on Jack Jack. No problem, darling. And the baby is gone. Edna?
Cash, go get him!
Edna, they found him! Hold on!
Sorry that got a little crazy. Babies can be unpredictable.
Yeah, Mom. It's for babies.
In your seats, darling. Come and you will soon be back.
Please remain seated until the coaster comes to a complete stop. Never gather your belongings and quickly exit your
Welcome to the
vehicle.
Incredicoaster. We're glad to